Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a new stock item that we've got here at Grantham, in that of a Swift Solitaire 480 2019. A fantastically well-spec'd two-berth caravan based on the Eccles range, but being a Solitaire with some great additional features. So here is a good look at that particular caravan. So the Solitaire logo that you see on the front, the wonderful carbon fibre front locker box, space in there for two 6kg gas bottles, light items like your step, your electric hookup cable, being cautious and careful of your nose weight. This particular caravan also comes with the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. As we come down the side of the caravan, you've got an exterior barbecue point, a side access hatch to underneath the front couches, an external entertainment pod, and also a 240 volt exterior socket. This caravan does not currently have a motor mover fitted to it, so if that's a need and a consideration for you, I'm sure we could do a fantastic deal for you and have a look at that need for the motor mover. So stepping inside the caravan, one of the rare benefits you've got with this particular caravan is a tall fridge freezer. So very rare do you see in a 2 or a 4 berth caravan on a single axle this wonderfully tall fridge freezer that you see here. You've got 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric in a combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath. Generous amounts of storage in the kitchen area, also benefiting from an omnivent in the kitchen area. An easy usable height microwave, and then the first look at this wonderful grained wood effect on all of the cabinetry that you see throughout, and that chrome strip towards the front as well. One of the other key features as well is this wonderfully large panoramic sunroof, coupled with a medium-sized Hecky light, creating a fantastic feeling of space in this front lounge area. Looking at the fabric scheme, you can see this high quality finish on the fabric scheme and been really well looked after by the previous owners, so in great condition for a 2019 used caravan. PIR sensor for the alarm located down there, and you have your front chest with short pull-out table, a marble effect on the side surfaces with a TV point down here, USB point, aerial point, and a 240 volt socket. A light up Solitaire logo towards the front, and then you have a large kitchen work surface here with work surface extension, and a further surface space on the other side with that matching marble effect with storage located both underneath and also above. A second television point located here, should that be a need or a consideration for you. You've got a Swift Command panel with built-in mobile connectivity and capability via the Swift Command app, a built-in tracker, and you can also connect to it via Bluetooth whilst inside the caravan. Built-in digital DAB radio being a further feature in this caravan as well. And this box here you can plug into the auxiliary point and actually play your own music from iPad, tablet or Android device. The Aldi wet central heating system is also benefiting in this caravan. So stepping to the rear into a very spacious bathroom area. So you have a hanging rail, an individual shower cubicle with water saving shower head. Nice large bathroom sink with storage underneath. Generous sized wardrobe towards the rear as well, with a small shelf located above the Thetford toilet. Bathroom carpet still down, but there is a full set of carpets with this caravan, and also the illuminated washroom mirror. So that gives you a real good feel and a good understanding for what this Swift Solitaire 480 2019 has to offer. If you have any queries or questions, please feel free to get in contact with us. We can take you on a live one-to-one video tour, should that help you decide whether this is the right caravan for you. We look forward to hearing from you, and I hope you've enjoyed the short walk around tour, and I hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye-bye now.